Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to install Unlinked to your Firestick and also show you the best codes which you can use on this app. The whole setup is really easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get Unlinked to your Fire TV stick or Android TV device. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store or from Google Play Store, of course, depending on your device. So just go to search on your TV, and here in the search bar, we gotta start typing Downloader. Usually, there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app because, as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us. And we click on Downloader, and that's the app which we need to get to our device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. And to set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings. So here they are, let's open them, and then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it, and here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Firesticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for us, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So we open developer options, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then we gotta go to install unknown apps, and from here turn that option on for Downloader. So what it does, it's going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only from official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, let's go back to the list of apps on our device. Here it is, let's open it. And there's the Downloader, which we already got to our Fire Stick or Android TV. However, before actually using the Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great application for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may have, and you only need one subscription to cover all your devices. The best part is that premium service is really cheap and costs less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's extremely important if you wish to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you'd like to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, you'll get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. So go get those 4 months for free and then use Downloader safely. Then we can finally open the Downloader application, so let's do it. On the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's important, and then here you'll see a search bar which we'll use to enter a link. You'll see the exact link you need to enter on your screen in a moment. And here's the link which you need to enter. You can see it on your screen right now. It's unlinked.link. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because if you make a mistake, obviously the link is not going to work. And after that, click on Go. Then in a couple of moments, a website is going to open for you. We'll have to scroll down a bit until we see the Download APK button. That's exactly what we're looking for. So let's click on Download APK. And now the file has been downloaded to our Fire Stick. Now just click on Install right here. Let's wait a moment, and after that, do not click on Open yet. Instead, we have to press on Done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore. So click on Done, click on Delete, and then delete once again. This way we erase the installation files from our device. Then let's go to the list of apps on our Fire Stick. Here it is, let's open it. And there is the Unlinked application which we just got to the Fire Stick. Now I'd recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. There's a button with 3 horizontal lines, and then press on Move to Front. This way, Unlinked application is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. And also one super important detail, after you got the application, straight away we have to go to Settings, go to My Fire TV, then go to Developer Options, install unknown apps. Again, that's the same place where we've got the stuff done for downloader, but this time you need to make sure that this option is enabled for Unlinked, because if you do not enable this option, you will not be able to download any application or something like that from Unlinked, so it must stay on. Then once again, don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and private. And once again, you can get 4 months of NordVPN for free if you use my link in the pinned comment below the video. Then let's finally open the Unlinked application. And here basically you just need to add a new library to your device. So click on New Library, and there you'll be entering different codes. I'll show you my favorite codes which you can use on your Unlinked application. So we open the keyboard and start typing. So it's EB2E4A4C. You can see the code on your screen as well. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and then click on Next. And now I will have to blur my screen because otherwise YouTube would not like it, as I cannot personally show you what's inside those libraries. But you may find quite a lot of useful applications, some web browsers, movie apps, live TV apps, media players, and so on. I just can't name the exact applications, so you have to take a look yourself. But I'm pretty sure you are going to like it. At the very top of the library you'll see all the applications in one place, however if you scroll down they will be put there by categories such as browsers, films and TV shows, live TV, music, tools, VPN, YouTube, and so on. And that was the first code of today, but definitely not the last code. I'll show you a couple more. Now you just need to click on the home button on the left side menu of the app. After that you'll see a add new library button which is going to appear there, so we click on it and there we'll be entering our new code, which is going to be 676645337. So once again the code is 676645337 and then we click on Next. Here you'll also find a huge list of applications. It's really different from the first library, so you'll find some new applications there. And that's a great way to jailbreak your Firestick, especially if you are interested in adult applications, movie applications, VPNs, music or sports apps. And now we have to click on add a new library again because I'll show you one more code for today. And this time the code is really simple, it is called Super Apps. So we just need to enter Super Apps right here as a code. So we enter it and click on Next. Now it's asking for a pin code. It's also really simple, it's 911 and again 911. We enter the pin code, click on Next. And the app list has opened for us. You'll find some alternative app stores there, cartoon applications, utility tools such as a clean master for your Firestick to delete the unnecessary files, some movie applications, sports apps, some live TV and stuff like that. So also a great library for you to check out. Once again, I did have to blur the screen because YouTube may not like it, but when you use the app, of course, it's not going to be blurry. And pretty much that's it. Hope you liked the video and see you next time. Bye bye.